Good morning, friends. This is Vikram Kode, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Economics, KKF College of Agriculture, Nasik. In this online learning session, we will focus on Food Corporation of India, that is FCI. So, first, focus on some facts about FCI. FCI was founded in 14 January 1965 by the Act of Food Corporation Act 1964. FCI headquarters is at New Delhi. FCI has number of locations, that is 5 zonal offices. Currently, Chairman and Managing Director of FCI is D.V. Prasad. FCI mainly concerned with wheat and rice, and it is a statutory body under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. So let's focus on objectives of Food Corporation of India. The objective of Food Corporation of India is effective price support operations for safeguarding the interest of the farmers. Means FCI is the major role in price support operations. Second is distribution of food grains throughout the country for public distribution system. So FCI is provide important food grains throughout the country for public distribution system. FCI maintaining satisfactory level of operational and buffer stocks of food grains to ensure national food security. And fourth objective is regulate market price to provide food grains to consumers at a reliable price. This is the important objectives of Food Corporation of India. Then functions of FCI. First important functions is procurement. So FCI undertakes the procurement of food grains, mainly cereals, on behalf of the Government of India and state governments in the states where it has been entrusted with this responsibility either as a sole agency or jointly with other public procurement agency. It means FCI is the apex level body for procurement of food grains. Second important functions of FCI is imports. In case there is a shortage of food articles in India, the FCI can import food grains and manage to dispatch it to the various destinations throughout the country according to the requirement of that area. Means FCI also imports important food articles which are required for nations. So this role of FCI is very important. Second, third important objective of FCI is transportation. So it organizes swift and massive movement of food grains both by rail and road to ensure timely arrivals in the areas of consumption and storage. So transportation it is also important. So this can be done with the help of rail and road according to the need. FCI plays important role in transportation. Fourth is storage. The provision of adequate and proper scientific storage facilities for food grains from the time of procurement till their distribution is another important function performed by the corporation. Means FCI also act important marketing function, that is storage. Processing. The FCI has set up certain rice mills, solvent extraction plant, maize factories, dal mills and mills to prepare a protein rich food at various places of the country. So FCI also involves in processing. This is also important function. 6 is the distribution. The food articles are distributed through the fair price shops under the public distribution system. Seventh function is quality control measures. The FCI is having a number of laboratories throughout the country. The experts in the different fields are serving in these laboratories so that quality of the stored products may not deteriorate. The quality is being tested and the measures are suggested to maintain the quality. Eighth function is research. The FCI is conducting research on various aspects of storage and preservation. It has set up a paddy processing research center in Tamil Nadu. And last function is of FCI is consultancy. The Food Corporation of India has also taken up the function of consultancy service and provides technical and scientific assistance to other public and private undertakings as well as cooperatives in the country and abroad. Means FCI consultancy is in India also and in abroad also. So friends, in this way we complete important public sector marketing institution, that is Food Corporation of India, that is FCI. Facts about FCI and objectives of FCI and important functions of FCI. So thank you friends, thank you very much.